Hi guys, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send large files on the Facebook Messenger. So, like any other Messenger apps or chatting apps, Messenger, Facebook Messenger also has a maximum file size that you can send through the chat. And in here, if you want to send, for example, large files into the chat of the Facebook Messenger, you can just follow the steps to resolve this. So the first one is you can first compress your file that you want to send. So if you want to, let's say, send a video with a large size, so you can just find a video compressor in the browser. So I'm going to just find video compressor. And here you can see you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this freeconvert.com. So just click on choose file and then choose the file that you want to convert. For example, I'm going to convert let's try this one. Click on open. Okay, so this is the concise. For example, I'm going to compress it. Just click on compress now, and after that, see if the result is smaller. So you can just click on the Facebook Messenger again and then send the file. But if it's in terms of file, you can just use the second option, which is the transfer. You can use the transfer file services. For example, here I'm going to find some transfer. Sorry. Okay, you can find a lot actually on the internet. You can use, for example, this file stack. You can use the transfer now or file mail or other transfer file service that you can find. Or the third option, you can just use a Google Drive. So probably everyone knew that Google Drive is very easy to share files with, or to share something with your colleagues or friends. Let's try to open the Google Drive. Okay, so here you have already on the Google Drive. For example, I want to share this files right here. Let's see the details of the file. Okay, this one, you can find it for example, this files right here. So this is actually a very big file, so you can just click on the three dots icon and go to share and click on copy link, and then after that you can just paste it to your friends in here on the Facebook Messenger so they can see the files on Google Drive. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.